In 2008, a hacker from Miami pulled off the largest credit card theft in history from his parents' house. Albert Gonzalez wasn't your typical cybercriminal. While most hackers stayed in the shadows, he drove Lamborghinis and threw $75,000 birthday parties. His weapon? SQL injection attacks that sliced through retail networks like butter. Gonzalez targeted major stores including TJX companies. He'd plant packet sniffers in their systems, quietly collecting millions of credit card numbers. The money flowed like water: luxury cars, international trips, cash withdrawals across multiple countries. But here's the twist. Gonzalez was secretly working as a government informant. He was supposed to help catch other hackers. Instead, he used his inside access to steal even more: 45 million credit card numbers, $2.8 billion in fraud. The Secret Service finally caught him when they traced his digital footprints back to those luxury purchases. The hacker who lived like a king got 20 years in prison. His empire built on stolen numbers crumbled with a single trace transaction.